Hi friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today also brought for you the exclusive once again varieties from the new collections, which is printed weightless lace border unique sarees, which is having a box packing varieties, which is at factory base price, which starts from only 150 rupees. Keep watching this video. Resellers of saree business people, if you are into a saree business, you can have this collections at your business, have a huge profitable business to make your customers happy. There's a bell icon, subscribe to the channel. You can easily do 24/7 online shopping. Pan-India COD options are available, and even for the international pre-advance booking also, you can do sari, lehenga, kurti, many more women ready-made apparels you can purchase from the directly manufacturers at wholesale price. If I talk about the manufacturers wholesale price, the benefits are color charts with the unique catalog-based, non-catalog based with multiple uncountable varieties, fancy, daily wear, regular, all the party wear, boutique varieties, even every exclusive collections, which is a grand royal from showroom pattern to shop level, even from the home-based business, women can also have medium range collections and you can have a profit at your business. So let's have a look of these collections. As I said, the printed sarees are very beautiful catalog lace border sarees. First, I talk about the box packing. The same Kesaria logo, you will find out the settle color, the box designer and the photocopy also you can see here. The dark yellow color with the leaf printed of the corner pattern, lace, satin lace of the golden mini stonework pattern. Lado Rani 2 is the code. So in this pattern, you have the following color charts are here. The Rama green color pattern over here, the one is tomato red color, and one is a dark parrot green with the mehndi green color concept and the dark orange color. These are the color based of the leaf pattern printed. If I talk about the one more pattern only, the color charts of the following printed of the varieties, which is a grassy print, I can say here, with the color options with the mehndi green. Lado Rani 3 is the code on the satin lace, which is the same color combination with the copper stone finishing has been highlighted on the sari. The color charts are the dark tomato red, I can say one of the color, and the dark lemon yellow color, and one of the light orange shade, and one of the blue color. So this is one of the pattern. If I go ahead for the next pattern with the geometrical pattern, nowadays these prints are trending prints at the printed sarees I can find out here. The geometrical pattern of the triangle with the multicolor shade. First choice 2 is the code, and in this all the particular sarees color of the lace has been highlighted. On this following color charts are the dark onion pinkish color, and one is one of the light mehndi green shade, one of the creamy shade, and one of the light peach color shade with the maroon color combination. Every pattern you will find out the color chart with a beautiful photocopy of the model shoot, which done for the all the colors, and this will be highlighted in the catalog, non-catalog on the every bundle you will find out. The one more pattern, as I said, the color charts of the golden jerry, silver jerry, you have a multiple varieties. The light green with a bottle green leaf printed grass pattern, and this is a coffee brownish color shade with a cream color, and when is a dark maroon with a dark purple color wine color shade I can say, and this is the mehndi green with the military color. Kurkure 2 is the code, and this is black with the dark light gray shade. This is one more pattern. If I talk about the one more pattern of the digital pattern printed, which is the following beautiful color charts. Onion pink with the dark purple wine color. The floral has been given on the Laria pattern base, which is Lado Rani 5 is the code. Mud color with the brownish shade, light Rama green with the blue color shade, and this is the creamish color with the brown shade, and the chocolate color with the maroon color shade. And next pattern, if I talk about again the geometrical casual pattern printed, Lado Rani 1, which is the gray color with the lavender color shade of the black multicolor, dark orange color shade. Lado Rani 1 is the code, and this is the orange color, this is a dark lavender shade, this is a dark parrot green shade, and this is one of the dark pinkish shade. Friends, these are all lightweight sarees, which is weightless, which is chiffon, and which is synthetic based. These sarees are for the specially for housewives who are in the home. They like to wear for the markets, for the walk around nearby, to going outside, evening walks, These are all the sarees. Being in the home housewives, they like to carry very light weightless sarees. These sarees, the factory price will start from 150. If I talk about the highest price around 1000 rupees, the lace which I'm talking about the saree, there is a thin lace, there is a medium size lace, which is many large lace borders also. You can find out Swarovski stonework, you can find out multi-thread work, you can find out the tassels. You can find out the multi rainbow pattern with fancy highlighted with the satin. Many more options are there. Kesaria manufactures under one roof. You can start if I talk about the printed saree, which is only 100 rupees, and highest if I talk about the fancy boutique varieties of sarees, 3,000 to 4,000 bucks is the only highest price all around the sarees I'm talking about. So if you want to start a sarees clothing store or boutique or online, you can directly contact Kesaria Manufacturers. Please visit, which is located at Surat City Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building 1, first floor, morning 9:30 to 8:30 shop. We operate. There is a reception executives. You can directly walk in and you can contact and you can tell about your requirement, and you will be getting a sales executive according to your language. Either you come from Punjab, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, South, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, all over the world, while we are providing a manufacturers, and we do have a retailers clients where they do clothing business with us, and even you can also tie up and you can start your clothing business. Clothing business, you have a ready-made women apparels like sari, like ready-made women apparels like kurta, kurta bottom, coat sets, kurta bottom churidar, the ready-made sharara, garara, crop top, lehengas, designer, party wear, side wear, even ready-made blouses, matching collections, the stretchable in skirts, everything you will find out, even the dupattas and the exclusive bottom varieties also. Friends, I can only tell you, please please follow and subscribe the channel for the regular updates, and even website page and social media pages you can follow to have a regular notifications where you can easily watch the video and you can do the online shopping with us, and you can purchase and you can start your business. Not only for business purchase, for the wedding collections, for gifting, sharing, even in the family events also, you can buy set to set, but not single pieces. Depend on the price, depend on the fabric, depend on the collection. The quantity will be differ according 5 pieces, 6 pieces, 12 pieces. So friends, hopefully this video you may liked it. Please share with your friends, relatives, with everyone. I complete this video. Next video I'll come up with many more business information with new more collections. Please let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Keep supporting. Next video we'll meet. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम।